is it lying here doing nothing? Why did I buy it? I assembled it once, and that acid. Catch on a watermelon. Haha. Funny, yes? I'll have to do some coding today.
Hi, I'm Nita. Last time I was in a hurry and didn't have time to tidy up. Please help me. Put the things in the basket.
Why do the same vehicles have different skins?
Thanks a lot. I was hungry. I want to eat. Please buy food for soup. You bought what you needed. Let's make soup together. Help me chop the vegetables. Thank you very much for your help.
Where am I? Familiar
Why do the same vehicles
in this game.